Morning guys, February 6, 2023. This one here I got a call from a guy. He's got a backed up kitchen sink, and told him I'm gonna have to go over there and, you know, cut the pipe or get a snake down in the pipe to clear it. Unless I can hit it, unless it's in the trap, I can hit it with a plunger, but most of the times you gotta cut the pipe and get a snake down there to get it loose. So we will try to get you some shots when I get there. Me and Miss Molly are working again. Yeah, you love working, Miss Molly. You love working. Anyway, it's not that cold out today. It's the beginning of the day. It's like 30, 35. Supposed to get up at 45 or so today. So I think we're over that cold snap that we had. A lot of calls for freeze-ups. 3 family homes in the walls, you know, the outside walls. I'd rather not do them because you gotta rip the whole flipping house apart to get to them. And you know, a lot of these people, they want to know, well, how much is this gonna cost me? I said, I have no idea, lady. Gotta rip all the flipping walls apart to get to these pipes. They're in, you know, most likely it's in the outside wall there, in the chase wall, running all the way down into the basement. You don't know where the hell it is. Not easy. Something like that, you almost need like 2 guys. One guy upstairs, you know, in the apartment, you turn the water on, you can hear it piston, you shut it off type of thing, because well, you're going to flood the bloody place again. I'm getting too old for this shit. I want to do the easy jobs. I got a couple of people that, you know, they know where the break is, so I'll go do them. We go hard ones for the young guys. Yeah. Well, my first rodeo, you know. Not my first prom dance. Oh, Miss Molly. Oh no, it's not my first rodeo, Miss Molly. So it's definitely backing up, right? For sure.
It wasn't. It was just blocked.
I'd rather not. I mean, let me open this up, and then we'll run water. If it backs up from here, then we know it's backing up, right?
What?
I can snake down right through this dandy, hopefully. That's what they call a dandy. You can go, a dandy clean out, you could go either way with it, right?
Well, the guy who did that.
That's what they call a dandy.
I think Buff did that.
The only thing with these is, see how high it is? It's pretty high. Well, I should know unless it's right in the trap, it's possible that you're dumping all kinds of shit down in there, no?
No.
Ew. Let's run it and see. Could be way down inside, you know, and it takes a while for it to back up. So.
It's probably in the D down in the basement of the back. Some guy did a snake and he did that.
No. Yeah, it's backing up. It's coming up. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's right there to the top, so that's good that we got water in it, so we could see when it goes down.
Yeah.
All right, so let me get my snake going, and hopefully I can get in and down.
Yeah.
And then,
I wonder if anything is coming in.
Say that again? The water's coming in, it's not going down, so it's backing up.
Right. I wonder if there was a mouse or anything in there.
Nah, no mouse. Probably grease. Every time you cook something with...
No. I don't dump anything down there because anything that goes.
Well, you'd be surprised. I mean, you got to clean the pan, right?
Right.
So even cleaning the pan would be there's grease on the pan. You can't get it off unless you wipe it down dry, which nobody does. Yeah, I get a kick out of these people. You know, they got freeze-ups and stuff, and we're on the phone there, and it's, well, how much is this going to cost me? I have no idea. Don't even know where it is. Well, where is it, lady? Oh, it's somewhere in the wall. Run some water. Run hot. Just put it on all the way on hot, yeah. I could feel it when I went in there. I could feel it when it let loose. That was easy. I gotta wipe this off, because if not, it'll freeze in the truck. No, I got it. Every so often, what I want you to do is...
Treat it?
No. Get some soapy water, the soap, right out of the dish thing.
Okay.
Just squeeze it down there.
Oh, okay.
And run it with hot water.
Okay.
Because that'll break up all the grease.
Oh,
You want, buy the big container of that shit, right? Run some hot water for a while, and then just dump that straight detergent down there. Dishwashing liquid.
Yeah.
And then that'll help flush all that grease out of there. The soap will get down in there.
Yeah.
Nice warm stuff. That's what I do. My house. You know, it takes grease off the pan, right? Oh, the same thing in the drain. It'll get all that grease out of
I
there.
have a lot of salads, so I guess the oil and the vinegar and all that good stuff gets in there.
You like a rabbit, huh?
Yeah, well, I lost weight because I went out with some girl who's in a small claims court, and it's been like 2.5 years of total shit. Like I'm sensitive, and I just was worrying like shit about it. So finally,
What was up with the girl? Why did you have to go to small claims court?
she thought I was stealing from her house, but she was a drug person, so.
You were stealing from her?
No, I wasn't stealing from her. I claimed that I was stealing from her, and
Little wacky bitch. That's all we need, right?
Yep. So one thing led to another, and I had to go to small claims, and there were a lot of people that I knew that were taking people to small claims because there's a guy who did lawns, and they would do their lawns because they were away in Florida and they never sent them a check and everything.
Yeah, I got a few people that's doing that to me. I gotta take them to court.
Yeah, it's such a bitch. And then you can arbitrate when you go to court, like settle it in this room or something, and people just try to get away with stuff. So.
Yeah, it's people are.
And then I had a person, I was behind a person driving and they just stopped. And I plowed into them, and I just got my letter that I was at fault.
You're at fault because if you hit them, no matter what, you're at fault.
Right.
If you hit them in the back, you should have stopped. Whether they slammed their brake on or not, it's just how it works.
Right.
All right. So you got a toilet issue too?
Yeah.
That wasn't so bad.
And then I went to.
So you heard what I said about the hot water, the soap, right?
Yep.
You can go to go to Walmart and buy the big one.
Right.
Yeah. And you just every so often.
How much do I put in there? Like a couple of cups.
I would dump the shit right in there. You want to do it once in a while.
Right.
And then that soapy hot water will get down in there and help loosen up all that shit in the pipe. And you want to give it a good flow. That's what I do at my house. I'm giving you a little secret.
Okay. It was I took a chain. This
All right,
chain.
what's the matter with the handle? What's the matter with it?
I had to fix it last night because I had.
Oh, what's the matter with that? You don't like it?
Is that okay?
Yeah, as long as it don't fall off, it'll be all right. Oh, it's staying up. See, the handle's staying up.
Right.
The handle's not.
That's because I got that stupid thing on.
No, that got nothing to do with it. You just got to make sure you get a little slack there. See it?
Yeah.
It'll be all right now. What happens is sometimes...
I tighten that up.
Well, you tighten it up, but you got to make sure that it's got enough slack to go up and down. See it? You go okay now. I put that... Did you put that in with that washer?
Yeah.
That should be all right, as long as it's working. I mean, why reinvent the wheel here, guy? You're good enough, right?
Well, what happened was...
That should be fine. Put the cover back on.
No.
Just don't break the cover, because you'll be...
They already did that.
Yeah, don't want to do that. Use two hands. Oh, you already broke it.
I didn't break it. The guys who were working on it broke it.
Really?
Yep. So...
And they glued it.
I glued it.
Oh my God. I'm always careful about that. Yeah, put that back on there and you'll be all right. Ain't rocket science.
Al,
The handle.
it was here the other day. I don't know.
I might have one of them in the truck, actually. You can't find it? There it is.
You know, I tried to spread it in the basement and everything, and it wouldn't fit anyway. I heated it up and it wouldn't stay on.
It's not the right one then.
This
It's
I
not
got
the.
it. I got it at Lowe's.
It's probably not the right one then. Let me see if I got something in the truck.
I don't care anything.
Hot. That looks like that one might work. Betcha. I got more. This is I got a whole bunch of stuff in the back here. I think in the bottom of this tray, or in the bottom of this one here, I got all kinds of old shit that I saved. Let's see if I think this one might work. Maybe. Miss Molly! Miss Molly! Miss Molly! Love you, Miss Molly. Yeah, I love you, Miss Molly. I don't know, it looks bigger. Might work. Oh yeah, look at that shit.
Oh, you're perfect.
Huh?
You're gonna get a tip today.
Want to get a tip? You got a screw for it? You got the screw for it? What's the screw that come out of it?
Good luck trying that, Phil.
You gotta find a screw. You got a couple of screws loose, no?
I'll find one down in the basement.
It's gotta be that one there that come out. You don't have it? Where is it? How can you lose a screw? Where do you think it would go? How could you lose a screw like that, guy?
I'll find a screw.
You gotta get a special one that's like this.
Right.
I might have one in the truck. How could you have lost it? But the handle's on there. How could you have lost the screw? I don't get it.
Wait, wait.
You found it?
No, I don't know what it is.
Well, let me get one. Let me see if I can find a screw for you. Got a couple of screws loose, Molly. Got a couple of screws loose, Molly. See if I could find one. See if I can find a screw in here. Here we go. Right there, that's probably the one we want. Right there, maybe. Let's grab a couple of different ones. You got a couple of screws loose, Mama. Phillips. There we go. That's probably the one right there. That's probably the one right there. There's different sizes. I mean, I could dig deep if I have to. It's got a couple of screws loose, Mama. For you, I think. No, that one's a little big. I got extras.
I can do that. You don't have to do that. I can find a screw for that.
Well, you gotta get the right screw for it. You know, the right thread. That's why you usually try to save the other one that come out of it, right? All right?
Yep.
Look at that.